Howdy, and welcome back to Texan Shaves. Today we're doing a interesting, well, I don't know how interesting it is to you. This isn't a new product at all. Some of it's kind of new, but most of you know this product. I just received some new razors from Leaf. Now I have the Leaf razor and I also have the Twig and the Thorn. Well, my Thorn is in Japan now. I gave my Thorn to Mully. But I did get some new ones in. I've got the new Spruce color. So take a look at that. It's actually got a lot more blue in it than I thought. It's really, really nice. Man, that color is really nice. That is the Leaf, and I'm not going to be using that one today, but I also purchased the Thorn. So I got another Thorn in, mainly because I wanted to give it another try. I didn't care for it too much the first time I had it, and that's why I ended up going to Mully and my Twig my daughter uses. So I decided to give it another try in this, and I got it in the new color because I also have the spruce colored brush and bowl. And let's talk about this brush for a second. Leaf did a solid. Leaf customer service is on point. They stand behind their product, as you know, or some of you may not know, but a lot of you probably do know. There was a major shedding issue with these brushes, a certain batch of them, not all of them. Mine was one of those. It was shedding like crazy, the worst shedding I've ever had, which was odd for a synthetic. So I reached out to them and they came back and said, we're working on it. And then they sent me a new one before asking me to return the other one with a return label to return the other one so that they could investigate what's up and I guess possibly deal with the situation. But so this is the new one. I haven't used it yet. It's brand new. And I also, I purchased the bowl. Let me had some hot water in there to warm the bowl up. I've got the bowl in the spruce color also. And while I was ordering the spruce colored razor, I also picked up their new spruce shave soap. So we're going to be using all Leaf products today. Let me get these boxes out of the way so that they don't get wet. And we're going to go with the Thorn. And I'm going to be using a brand new already split PermaSharp. Let me get one of those out. Heck, I hadn't even opened this box yet. There we go. And there we are. And I'm curious to see how this soap performs. I haven't heard a whole lot about it, but the scent is very nice. So for those of you that don't know, with a Leaf Thorn, you just twist and the top will raise and then move out of the way like so. And there is a magnet in there to hold the blade, help hold it in place. So let me get this blade unwrapped. And I just received these razors today. I've had the bowl and the brush for a while. I decided to wait to use it until I got one of their soaps. And I got these new razors in. So when you load the blade, there's two little catches to go in the grooves of the blade on either side. And then of course the magnet holds it in place. And then you just turn it the other way to lock it down. Make sure it's snug, and there you go. Now the difference between the two, of course, the Twig is the milder version and the Thorn is a slightly more aggressive version. They list it as medium. And so this bowl and the soap, when you order the soap, it comes in a pack of 2 in this box. And they are packed like so. So I'm going to slide one of these out. I also ordered their fig scent, which it smelled really good too. I almost wanted to shave with that one. And then the way this bowl's designed, it's got an inset to put your soap puck in. And if you want to remove it, you just push the silicone in the center. As you can see, it's soft right in the middle, and that'll pop it right out. So we're going to put this in. See if I can do this on camera. And we're just going to squeeze that into that circle. It's got the little notches that hold it. You can see that it's pushed a little of the soap out where it's pushed in. So now it's in there solid. It's not coming out. And then the unique thing about the brush is it has a measuring system for the water on the bottom. It is graduated. Don't know if you can see, but it's got little lines for how much water. I'm going to probably go ahead and fill this up because y'all know I like a wet lather. I'll go almost to the top. So I don't know if I'll be able to show this, but yeah, it's about a little more than 3/4 full. You can see a little bit of the water in there. Then we're just going to pour that into the bowl. Let that get that puck a little wet. Yeah, it's going to be impossible to see, but now I'm going to wet this brush. And we're going to see what kind of lather we can build. Alright, just get it. I'm just going in with damp and squeezing it all out. Just using the water that's in the bowl. And here we go. Trying to pick up what water I can into the brush. That is a very nice spruce scent. Very nice. Wow. So this is a very interesting bowl and brush design. It's very unique. It's what made me want to get it because I don't have anything quite like that. And I figured I should go ahead and use the soap it was designed for to give that a try. Now y'all know me, I'm more of a face latherer, so I don't know how much I'm going to build in the bowl. But I'm going to go ahead and see what I can build with that amount of water. If you notice though, it's kind of a blue color. It's interesting. Well, it's very foamy. But this is my first time using it, so maybe there's a little bit of a learning curve. I don't know. Well, I know I've got a ton loaded in that brush, so I'm just going to go with that. So as you can see, it's quite foamy. And I don't feel that's going to be very protective. I don't know, but it's just very, very bubbly. So I'm going to build on my face with what's loaded in the brush instead of scooping that foam out. Get my hands. All right, so we got this brush loaded, blade loaded. Put my glasses over here. And let's get the face wet and see what we can do. If you used Leaf soap before, let me know down below what you think of it. It does have a wonderful aroma. Jeez. I guess this could be considered a Muggin' Monday, because I could put this puck in a mug for sure. Alright, now it's not looking too bad on the face, working it on the face for sure. But that light bubbly foam wasn't going to do it. I think it might even could use possibly a little bit of water. Did any of you get in on this spruce colored leaf? Let me know. I used to use the leaf exclusively. Well, there's another brush hair. Nothing like before though, that's just one, which is fairly typical for a brand new knot because I have not used this before. I used to use the leaf razor exclusively for my head shaves until I discovered how good injector, like vintage style injector razors were for head shaves, such as the Schick Eversharp. We're going to go with that for the shave. All right, let's see what we got. Been a long time since I've used one of these. I can't remember exactly what I didn't like about it, but it has been a while, so it very well could have just been my skill using a single edge also. at that time, and I just really like the leaf itself with the 3 blades. But this isn't bad at all so far. The soap itself, yeah, it's doing a good job. It's not quite as cushiony as most of the artisan soaps that we use or I have. But it's as good as some, for sure. So far, I could say I would use this again. Now I'm finding this shade very mild, which I believe is to be typical with this razor. Let's go ahead and Alright, we're only going to do 2 passes, the second one going. So this is being recorded Monday, and it's going out Tuesday, so don't forget to watch Shave Masters tonight, and that is Doug Embry, John Bonham, and myself. It's going to be a great show tonight, so be sure and tune in 7 p.m. Central on Instagram. And that's one reason why I'm just doing 2 passes, is because I've got that show tonight. And I want to have a little bit, got that show tomorrow night. Not tonight, but by the time you're seeing this, it'll be tonight. How confusing, right? So I want to leave a little bit so I have a decent amount of growth for that live. Plus, I've been trying to make slightly shorter videos for you guys as best as I can. I'm horrible at it because I like to talk, right? But I know y'all have a lot more other YouTubers you like to watch, and if I'm monopolizing your time, then, you know, there's only so many you can watch, right? I'm the same way. I have to say, I think this is a much better shave than I remembered my last shave with the Thorn. And I remember not liking it at all. I'm glad I'm giving it another chance. It's kind of like me going back and revisiting old blades, giving them other chances. Same thing with some of these old razors that I have given away or sold. Some I sold for a particular reason, but some it's just because I didn't like them. Or I've given them away. Piffed more than I've sold. I've only sold a couple. But, alright. Let me get a rinse. Come back for my final thoughts. Be right back. Okay. So, not a bad shave. Not a bad shave at all for 2 passes. Very respectable. Still have quite a bit down here though, but this is my tougher area, so, and it's the first time using this particular razor. I've used the Thorn before, but not this exact one. So I'll give it a few more shaves. I'll give it a full 3 passes, give it the rundown. I just wanted to show it real quick with the full leaf shave system, I guess we could call it, you know, with the bowl and the brush and the soap. And I do like that soap. I do. The bowl is nice and compact. The brush is nice and compact. If I actually wanted to take a bowl traveling with me, this would be the choice because of the size. Also with one of these pucks because of the size and how easy it is to dry one and just throw it in and not worry about a tub of cream or a tube of cream getting crushed. If the hard puck gets crushed a bit, it's not going to hurt it that much. You can just form it back in, you know. But yeah, no, that was a good shave. I'm very happy with it. Good job, yeah. So I think it was me. I still don't think it's quite as efficient as I like, but I've also been gravitating towards very much more aggressive razors lately as well. So, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed checking out the new Spruce colored leaf and the Spruce soap with the Spruce bowl and brush with the measuring cup and everything. I don't think it's a gimmick. I think it's a pretty good idea. It's pretty good stuff. This is great for someone getting into wet shaving. Of course, I've always said that about the leaf. The leaf is very much like a multi-bladed cartridge. I think it's a great crossover tool for someone to get into wet shaving. And the leaf to have this bowl and brush is an awesome add-on, because I believe you can get a package with it as well. So I think that is a great initial investment for a first-time shaver. Excellent price, got everything you need, including some blades. You don't need to go anywhere else. Maybe an aftershave, but you probably already have some aftershaves. Who knows? Don't need to go anywhere else to get into wet shaving. It's a good step, a good first step. I like it. Good job, Leaf. And Leaf, I want to thank you again for taking care of the brush situation. Excellent customer service. I back you 100%. Good job. All right, guys, that's it. Find your peace in what and where you can, and we'll see you next time on A Texan Shaves. Goodbye.